This video provides step-by-step instructions for assembling and mating TE Connectivity's NTSEAL connectors. NTSEAL connectors are designed for harsh environments and support multiple positions and contact sizes for power and signal in one compact, sealed connection. NTSEAL connectors are available in various sizes between 18 and 48 positions and use DEUTSCH size 12, 16, and 20 contacts. They can achieve up to IP6K 9K sealing performance with the appropriate backshell and have a temperature rating of -40 to 125 degrees Celsius. 4 colors with mechanical keys are available. NTSEAL connectors come in small, medium, and large sizes. Small size connectors can be mated by hand with no assist. Medium and large size connectors feature a locking lever for added security. This example demonstrates the medium-size 26-position NTSEAL connector with a locking lever. Before assembly, identify the connector components, locate the Terminal Position Assurance, or TPA, and the Connector Position Assurance, or CPA. Locate the connector latch in front of these CPA. On lever connectors, identify the integrated locking lever. Insert each crimped contact into the appropriate cavity. Push the contact until a click is felt and heard. Verify contact retention using the push, click, and tug method. When all contacts are fully inserted, push the TPA to the N-lock position. This ensures proper contact positioning. Align the plug and receptacle using the keyed features. Push the connectors together to the pre-stage position. Rotate the lever to mate and lock the connectors. A click confirms full engagement. Push the CPA to secure the connector in the locked position. To disconnect, release the CPA. Push down the latch and rotate the lever to the open position and separate the connectors. For more configurations, accessories, and technical details, visit TE.com and download the NTSEAL Connector Family Catalog.